wanted to try for so long to sing you the right song, to say something different every day. So you hear what I have to say, like puzzle pieces, I never heard it stop still. I wonder if you feel the kind of thing that rips you and says out. That's something I know all about. Checking it, is it because I can't figure out that you're sexy with me and I can't fix you?
Sorry, I'm feeling lazy. That's just 'cause I'm emo again.
Why love you lying? Why you always lying? Oh my gosh, stop you lying.